Welcome to episode 1 of my logo skill upgrade series. Let's start by creating icon using a type tool of a tech startup company. In this video, you will see the difference between beginner and advanced logo system. When I just started to design, these were the steps I should follow. Change the letter N font to a Futura. To show the growth of the company, we will expand the rectangle bars of the N as shown on the screen. Now to show a connection of the communication, let's create a circle. To enhance the circle, first delete some unwanted parts of the circle using the scissor tool. Now select both the parts and increase the stroke size and give a width profile as shown on the screen. Now this icon shows growth and connectivity of the logo. Make sure the width of the icon and the logo name should match. We will use the blue cool color for this logo. Now let's create an advanced version. In this I am using a grid. So let's start with the line tool, create grid as shown on the screen. Rotate the grid by 45 degrees and reflect the grid on the vertical. So with the help of shape builder tool, now create as shown on the screen. With the help of magic wand tool, delete the unwanted lines. Now take a line tool and create a diagonal shape as shown on the screen. Nowadays, grid method is generally used to create logo for precision and strength. Select that line tool and shift with the help of arrow key. Select the line tool and go to object and expand the fill and stroke. Now click on N and go to expand the fill and stroke of the N part. Go to Pathfinder tool and unite them. Now select everything and with the help of shape builder tool, holding Alt and click delete the part as shown on the screen. This icon is created with a good precision now. Type the logo name now. This time we will go with the Gotham font. If you are my regular viewer, then you will know that I generally use Gotham font for any logo design. This series will continue of creating different types of logo with different methods in upcoming 10 days. If you don't want to miss any of the series, then subscribe my channel and keep the notification bell icon on so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Keep an eye on minute details while creating logo and before sending to the client. Let me know, are you a beginner or advanced watching this video? Episode 2 will be coming soon. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.